This training video will take a student through creating a new account on the Turnitin system. Before you can do this, you will need to contact your instructor and get the 7-digit account class ID number and the class enrollment password. Once you have that information, you can click on the Create Account link and follow the prompts to create a student account. Here, you'll be prompted for that 7-digit class ID number and the class enrollment password. The class enrollment password is case sensitive, so make sure you put in the correct one. And then you can put in your first name and your last name and the email address you want to use for your account. You'll be able to put in your password. It has to be 6 to 12 characters long and have at least one letter and one number in it. And you'll be asked to put it in a second time. Next, you'll be able to select a secret question, enter the answer to that secret question, agree to the user agreement, and your account will have been created and you are now enrolled in the new class in your new account. This training video will take a student through submitting a paper to an assignment that has been set up by their instructor. First, you want to go to your My Classes page. You'll click on the class name that you want to have the paper submitted to. You'll find your assignment there set up by your instructor. Click on the Submit icon. That will take you to the page where you'll be able to submit your paper. Your first and last name will automatically update into the system. You'll be able to put the title of your paper into the box and then go down and click on Browse, find the file on your computer, and we're basically taking Microsoft Word files, text files, RTF files, PDF files, and the other files that we select. They're already here listed. And then click on Upload. That will then check your paper to make sure it's compatible with the system. You're then going to be taken to a preview page. This is where you'll see the text from the file that you're uploading. You want to check to make sure that all the file is there. When you are satisfied that that's the file you want to upload, click on Submit. That will then send the file to the system. Once it's been successfully submitted, you will see the message saying your submission was successful. This is the digital receipt for your paper. You will see the paper ID number here. It's always a good idea to either print this page out or write down the paper ID number. That's your confirmation the paper was submitted. You will also see the text from your file. You can then go to the portfolio page, and that will take you back to your English class that you're in. You'll see the paper, and you'll actually click on the Show Details listing to actually see your paper's been submitted, and in this case, the originality report has already been completed. This training video will demonstrate how to view an originality report and will go over some of the originality report features. From the main class page, click on the name of the class where you submitted your paper. That will take you to the page showing you all your assignments that have been set up by your instructor. For the assignment inbox where you submitted your paper, click on the Show Details link, and that will give you more information about your paper, including the similarity index. The similarity index is the percentage of the text within the paper that matches sources within our database. By clicking on the percentage, a new window will open up, and you will see a copy of your paper and the primary sources listed on the right. You will see the paper maintains all the formatting, pictures, and graphs within the originality report for the paper that you submitted. All the primary matches for this paper are located on the side panel to the right of the paper. The text within the paper that matches our databases will be highlighted within the body of your paper. Each primary match is given a number and a color. This number and color will appear within your paper to let you know which match the highlighted text refers to. Click on the matching text within the paper, and the matching section of the source will show up in a bubble, including some surrounding text, and will show you the matching material from that source that matches your paper. To close that window, just click anywhere else on the paper. Within the primary matches, there will be some underlying sources. And to view the underlying sources for a primary match, hover over the match and click on the View Additional Sources link and view the additional matches. All the overlapping sources will be displayed below the primary source, and now you can see all the overlapping sources for the section of the matching text within your paper.